Rooty carrot soup. This is a extremely healthy dish that we did our best to combat with cream and other fats. We are using potatoes as a thickener and for tastiness, ginger, and a few other spices. Butter and heavy cream, Chardonnay.
Let me fix that for you. Here you go.
Broth, here we're using chicken. After we clean and give our carrots a large chop, over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter and a tablespoon of oil. Then our carrots. I'm using salted butter, so no extra salt added yet. We want to occasionally stir until carrots have spots of roasty brown. Add half to a dozen shelled garlic cloves. Continue cooking until garlic starts to have brown and roasty spots. Then we mix in our chopped onions, celery, and potatoes. Cook until onions are translucent and celery is tender. Deglaze with wine and add our chicken stock. We want to comfortably cover the vegetables without diluting our soup too much. If you need more liquid, just add some water. Add most of our seasonings now. Save some back for balancing. Chopped ginger, thyme, and parsley. Also our honey. Stir occasionally until potatoes are tender. Turn down to medium-low heat and add the heavy cream. If you are using heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon of butter to bring up the fat content. Mix in and let heat up for a few minutes. Give it a taste. Add more spices if you like. When we blitz, it may be ever so slight blander, so just a little overspice may be okay. But also, depending on the spice's health, it may bloom more, so yeah. Make sure your soup is cool enough for your chosen puree, emulsifier, appliance, thingamajiggy. Official culinary term. Lovely, creamy, silky smooth, Rooty ginger carrot soup.